Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download a Hunting Sniper mod with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So it's pretty easy. There's a website out there. I'm going to type it in for you guys, zoomods.com. So on this site, you can actually get the Hunting Sniper mod. So let me just type it in. And there it is. So just press on it and then it will download. Now, before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification, which means downloading some apps. And all this does is just make sure you're human, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second. All right, so it's pretty easy. So as you can see, it is downloading right here. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and download. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So there's going to be around 4 of these apps here. You just got to download 2 of them. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store. So all you got to do basically is make sure you read the instructions below the app, because some people don't do that. They just download it. So yeah, you got to make sure you read them, because this one says reach level 10. So anyway, guys, after you do this, you'll be good to go. I did the Family Island one. You got to reach level 10 on it. So it's pretty easy, but that is how to get the Hunting Sniper mod, guys. Super cool. And yeah, you can be pretty rich with this. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested. This is super awesome. And it's totally working, guys, as you can see. So yeah, I mean, I know Hunting Sniper's not cheap. So once you're done with the verification, down here it says checking completion. So it is actively looking to make sure you did it. So you guys should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. It totally works. So hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, try it out for yourself. This is super awesome. See you guys later, and peace out.